Hey guys, this is Jiu and you're watching D Sports TV.
It's very painful.
What is up mga Lodi? Welcome back sa ating channel kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang lahat ng latest sa mundo ng basketball. Kung bago ka dito, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon para updated ka sa ating mga bagong videos. Grabe mga Lodi, hindi naging madali ang laban ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament 2024. Sa semi-final match nila laban sa world number 12 na Onchame, ang ating pangarap na makapasok sa Paris Olympics. Tinalo tayo ng Brazil sa score na 71-60. Tara at pag-usapan natin ang mga detalye kung paano nangyari ito. Sa simula ng laban, maganda ang ipinakita ng Gilas Pilipinas.
Now gets going on Felicio. Oh, good day from Brownlee.
Stop should get a lot of advantage.
Brownlee left free and he takes it.
It's back in the interest now.
Brownlee, he's interested.
Nakalamang pa tayo, 33-27 pagpasok ng halftime. Pero dahil kulang ang rotation natin with only 10 players, nahirapan ng team lalo na sa second half. Nagkaproblema talaga dahil wala si Kai Sotto dahil sa rib injury.
Hit the deck very hard there.
Dahil dito, si Coach Tim Cone ay nagkaroon lamang ng 10 healthy players. Ang impact nito, si Junmar Fajardo ay napilitang maglaro ng mas mahabang minuto kaysa sa usual.
Forced Junmar Fajardo to have to overplay minutes, and that kind of all mushroomed it right there. But the bottom line is we just weren't good enough tonight, and we got to be better.
Sa third quarter, kinandado ng Brazil ang depensa ng Gilas. Nagpakawala sila ng 14-0 run na nagbigay sa kanila ng 41-33 lead. Dahil dito, tuluyan ng nahirapan ng Gilas Pilipinas na makabalik.
Still has it. Giaz for three. Oh my word. Giaz puts it back. And he caps off a one.
Halos hindi na kinaya ni Junmar Fajardo ang pressure sa ilalim. Pagod na siya, kakaharap kina Bruno Caboclo at Cristiano Felicio. Kilala naman natin ang mga players na ito na former NBA players. Sinabi nga ni Coach Tim Cone, we just lack a big man. After the game, sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone na hindi sila mag-aalibay pero malaki talagang kawalan si Kai.
You know, we don't want to make excuses, but losing Kai was big for us because
sabi nga niya, it took away our depth in the front line.
It just took away our depth in the front line.
How much did you miss Sotto?
He's a big part of the team. With the rebounds and containing their big men, it was hard for us without him.
Tila lahat ng problema ay nag-mushroom sabay-sabay. Nagpakita ng tapang si Dwight Ramos leading the team with 13 points. Pero gaya ng sabi niya, it just takes one night to not show up and play your best and you lose. At ayun na nga nangyari, Brazil ang nagdala ng laro at nanalo.
It takes one night, you don't show up and play your best and you lose. That's how good the teams are here. So today we just didn't play our best and Brazil beat us.
Mga Lodi, aaminin ko talagang masakit ang pagkatalo na ito. Pero hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang ating laban. Ang mahalaga, natuto tayo at mas lalakas pa sa susunod na mga torneo.
You know, it's funny, we didn't expect to be here, but then when we got here, we expect to win. So it's very painful. We're trying to tell ourselves that almost isn't good enough. You know, almost winning, almost getting there, almost that. It's not good enough. We got to find a way to get over the hump and get there.
Abangan natin ang next tournament ng Gilas Pilipinas. Sa ngayon, mag-focus muna tayo sa mga positive takeaways at suportahan pa rin natin ang ating kupunan. Sa tinatakbo ngayon ng SBP, sa tingin ko ay mas maganda na ito at mukhang nakikinig sila sa mga fans. Kaya kung meron kang suggestions, i-komento mo na yan sa ibaba at malay natin mabasa ng mga taga-SBP. So ayun, hanggang dito na muna tayo mga Lodi. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay mag-subscribe ka na sa ating channel. Paki-follow na rin ang ating Facebook page, Utak Pilipinas. Again, this is D Sports TV. Paalam.